Hi viewers, welcome back CAD Designs. In this video, I'll show you how to build this angle rod in NX. This drawing sheet link is available on description box. You can download from there. If you downloaded this drawing sheet, you can continue this video. Let's get started. First of all, we need to understand the drawing sheet. Here we have two views. One is top view, one is aligned section view. And this drawing sheet units are millimeters. So every dimension it is created with mm units. First of all, I wanted to make this outer profile with these three holes. Then it is easy to make it the profile. So first of all, I'll make this outer profile with these 4 holes. Here I have already opened NX file with mm units. Now I'm going to create one sketch on this XY plane. And here I'll make 2 holes with these dias. See, here we have one hole that is 39 diameter, and here it is outer cylinder diameter, it is 50. So I'll make the 2 holes first. 39 close, and one more circle. This is 50. 2 circles I have made, and again I want to make it this outer circles. It is 9.5 radius, but I will consider it is as diameter. 18 plus 1, so total 19 diameter hole I am making circle. It is 19, and same at other positions. As of now, a rough circle locations I have made. Now I am going to check these circle positions. Size it is already fixed. It is 19 diameter circle. And now we need to specify position of this circle. From here to here we need to maintain some distance. As per the drawing, here it is 70 radius. Now I'll make 70 distance from this hole to this hole. So if you take it linear dimensions from here also, it is fine. Here to here 70 distance. Now what I am saying, this x direction position it is fixed. If you move the circle, x is fixed, and y direction it is still not fixed. We need to fix that too. If you maintain 0 here, it will work. And one more method I am using, that is geometrical constraints method. From this circle center point to this axis, just I have selected both items, then it will reflect these options. Here it is showing point on curve. I am going to select this. Now here what it is happened, this circle center point it is moved on this axis. Now it is fully constant, it is not moving. So size and position both are fixed. Now I am going to apply same conditions for both circles, other both circles. This one also same, I am maintaining 70, and position here to here 0 distance, that is point on curve. Now here I want to make some distance, but it is in angle, so that's why I am going to make one line. But this line it is we don't want to make it any continuous line. We need just reference items, so that's why select and go to convert this reference. Now this line it is initially continuous line, now we made it as reference. Now I am going to specify angle from this axis to here. It is 60 degrees angle. 60 degrees. Now this distance also we need. Here 135 radius, but this one I am considering as distance 135. Now everything it is fixed. I mean total we have made 5 circles. 5 circles are fully constant. Okay, if you wanted to know, just finish the sketch and see this status column, it is fully constant. So fully constant means size and position, everything it is covered. Now again I am going to open the sketch. Now we need to make tangent to tangent lines. If you check this drawing, here these outer lines, it is exactly tangent to this circle to other circle. If you consider this one as circle with 50 diameter, so that is, it is tangent location, so that's why I'm taking like this. Here we have 24 distance also, but we do not have a particular angle from this axis to here, so that's why I'm not considering this 24. I'm taking this circle as tangent position. So select line and make tangent to tangent lines. Select from this tangent to this tangent, same this tangent to this tangent. So positions I'm selecting from this, go to line, select 2 positions from this tangent location to this tangent location, like this, tangent to tangent, and same tangent to tangent. Now here I don't want these profiles, and if you observe the drawing, here we have other radius fillet edges also. Here it is 20 radius, 50 radius, 40 radius. So specify the fillet radius here, fillet, and select these 2. Now I don't want these outer profiles, other profiles, but I want to make it a reference. Select this trim option. In this symbol it is showing other, after trim, after create the fillet, these items it will trim, but it will convert in reference items. See, 20 radius, what it is happen. Now here, after making this fillet, these continuous lines are converted into reference items. Now again I am making one more fillet here with 50 radius, and same here 40 radius. Now everything it is clear. We have created hollow space, but these circles, this curve also not required. Select trim, this one not required, this is not required, and same here, this one not required. So now what we made, if you observe this connected lines, it is exactly connected with tangents as per drawing requirement. Now we need hollow space, and this circle also we don't want because it is outer edge. So I am going to convert this one in reference item, convert to reference. Then I am going to make few more circles. We need hole here. Here total 3 holes with 11 diameter. So I am specifying 11 diameter circle here, and same at other locations, here and here. And then I hope it is fully constant. Select and drag. If in case it is something mismatched, it will move, but everything it is correct, it is not moving. Then finish sketch. Now see, here it is fully constant, so everything it is covered, size and position. Now I am going to specify particular name for this. This is main profile, so select and go to properties and specify particular name instead of sketch 000. Here main profile. Okay, now you can apply extrude feature, extrude, and select our sketch. Now we need some particular distance. here it is 30 thickness. Now I can apply upside 15 and downside 15 with symmetric feature. We don't want to apply single value, so select this symmetric value, then 15. So now it is made from the sketch to upside 15 and downside 15. And we need solid item, so go to settings and select solid. Sometimes it will take sheet. Now it is solid body created. Now we need to make this extrude cuts with 10 depth. Profile is here. 4 distance we need to maintain from this outer line, and this dia it is already covered, 50 diameter, and this radius also we need. This is 13.5 at 3 locations. Okay, so we'll make it. Now I am going to make one more sketch. I'll make it at same location. Later we'll consider some depth difference. Same plane I have used for second sketch. Here I am making again same circle, 50 diameter circle, and same here also we need to make circles, 13.5 radius, but it is diameter, so that's why into 2, 27. Okay, circles we have made. Now we need to make these lines from this outer sketch, right? Now I am going to apply this offset feature with some distance. After select offset, from this line we need to maintain some distance, but instead of first of all we need to select this single curve. Otherwise, if it is like connected curves, everything it will take, but we don't want all, we need only single curve. So that's why select single curve, then select one required line. Here we need inside direction, yes, apply, and same here also inside, apply, here inside reverse, apply, select reverse, apply, select reverse, apply, and same here. Okay, now we have made these profiles. So finally we achieved this area almost all, but this extension we need. Go to select quick extend. These lines we need to extend until the next portion. Enough. Here no need to extend because it is already inside the circle. We need to trim until this circle, right? Then use quick trim and trim these all unwanted items. This outer circle, and next these 2 lines, and same here also, this outer circle, these 2 lines, and same this outer circle and these 2 lines, and same. Then inside we need only this area, so trim these unwanted items. If you zoom here, this is not required, then only it will consider this is one separate part and this is one separate part. Trim, and here trim. Now entire profile it is 3 locations, right? Here it is one hollow space, and here it is one hollow space, and here. Now we need some fillet also we need to apply. It is not sharp, right? Here 2 radius at all locations, we need to follow 2 radius. So go to fillet and select these 2 lines, then it will work. It will consider some radius, but we need 2 radius here. 2, enter. And if you drag like this also it will work with 2 radius. if we drag like this, it will take the two lines as two objects, first object and second object. Now it is finished. Then again I am going to specify some name for this. It is extrude cut. Or just cut also fine. Then go to extrude, select sketch, it will take automatically. Then here it is down direction from here to until 15 distance it is taken, but we need some gap. See, here we need only 10 distance and remaining 5. Instead of total 30, 15 already we divided, and 10 depth we need, and remaining 5 we don't want to trim, sorry, cut 5. Now see, here it is taken some 5 distance gap, then from here it is started. We need solid, but we wanted to trim, so if we choose subtract, then it will subtract from this solid body. See, like this. Again we want to apply same extrude feature and same sketch with opposite direction. Same, subtract. Okay, then here we have applied at 4 locations only in this fillet radius, but we need these edges also, and these edges also need to maintain same 2 radius. So again go to edge fillet feature and 2 radius and select this. But here if you choose tangent only, it will consider until tangent areas. Okay, so choose tangent and select edge. It is already tangent location, automatically it is taking like this. Now here we have covered only one side, and second side also we are selecting. Now both sides covered. Okay, now everything it is covered from this drawing. We don't want to show these sketches, so that's why select the sketch and move these sketch layers into different layer. I'm taking 20 layer for sketches, and remaining solids are in first layer. I don't want to show this layer, so go to format, layer visible. I don't want to show 20 layer in this particular trimetric view. Apply. Now it is hidden. Finally we achieved angle rod as per the drawing. If you like this video, do subscribe our channel. Don't forget to activate bell icon. And if you want to more practice drawings like this, follow our website from description link. Thank you.